How to fix WhatsApp service status unavailable problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix WhatsApp service status unavailable issue. So if you are facing this problem, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp and try to see if you're able to send any messages. So if I just go ahead and try to send messages here, it's being sent. What you can do is try to check your internet connection. And if you're sure that you have a stable internet connection, then in that case, you need to do some additional steps. So what you can do is try to long press on the WhatsApp app, go to the I button, and then scroll down here until you find storage. From your storage section, go ahead and tap on clear cache, go back, and then try to force stop the app, and tap on OK. So once you force up the app, it's going to completely restrict all of the background activities and requests that's going on, which might be causing the issue. Once that is done, you can go over to Play Store and check for any updates on WhatsApp. Tap on the search icon at the bottom. I'll just go ahead and search for WhatsApp. If there is an update button just like so, tap on Update. And once WhatsApp is up to date, you should have no other problem. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.